Oh, okay.
You see it in action.
Tell me when to stop.
Do you do it like an old bald priest guy?
Me?
Yeah.
Here, look up, Ethan. Like,
look at me.
Yeah, Ethan, look at the camera.
Wait. Yeah! So I should go to like right here.
Yeah. Well, about right there. I love getting scratched.
Right here.
Yeah.
Ah, that's hot. Yeah, it's
You can always do it longer, never shorter. You know.
Wow.
Here you go. Here, hold on. That's good scratch.
Let's give him a third view though.
You should leave those little hairs right there.
What was that?
Again, right here.
Ethan has like a mole on his head.
I do.